Happy Monday once again, everyone. Bryan Devore, Devore Realty Group, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, California Properties. Another Monday market moment for you, and we're already halfway through, past halfway through February. The year is flying by, and we're going to answer the question: is the market reaching a balance? Or attempt to answer that question. And what does that even mean? We'll get to that in just a moment. First, as always, let's look at the latest stats. Right now, we have 4,320 homes for sale throughout San Diego County. It's an increase of 104. We're seeing more homes coming on the market and more homes staying on the market. Median list price $939, no change, and also no change in average days on market, 51. We have 2,083 homes in escrow right now. It's an increase of 82 from last week, so that's a good sign. Median list price 889.5, and we have an average days on market of 34. Months of inventory. Last week went above 3 months for the first time in quite a long time. We are once again above that, 3.11, so higher than it was the week before. So we're seeing we're still in a balanced market, just beyond a seller's market, and it's creeping further into that category. Last week, we saw 750 homes come on the market. That's 10 more than came on the market the week prior. Median list price of $950,000 for those homes. New pendings 358. We had a drop of 12 versus last week. Median list price $899, $999. Higher than the week before. Average days on market, though, dropped quite a bit to 24. So the homes that went pending were only on the market for 24 days. That's an encouraging sign for home sellers. New pendings listed within the last week, 19. New pendings listed within the last 2 weeks, 153. So again, 5% of homes selling in a week or less, 43% of homes selling in 2 weeks or less. How many homes closed escrow last week? 298. A little increase of 10 versus last week, with a median list price of $894 and a median sales price of $900. So again, encouraging sign for home sellers. Homes are selling for more on the median than they are being listed for. Average days on market, 32. The least expensive sale was in Lakeside this week, $210,000. Rancho Santa Fe had the most expensive sale, $11,750,000. Here's a chart showing new actives, new pendings, and new closed sales. So a couple weeks ago, we did see a dip in the number of new listings, but then it started going back up again, sort of following that trend line as we see more homes coming on the market week after week. Pendings did go down, and closed sales actually did go up. Here is the chart showing the median list price and median sales price. Pretty still strong levels there. This was Stephen Thomas's reports on housing chart from a couple weeks ago, but it talks about expected market time. And you can see how the expected market time dropped quite a bit from sort of like the beginning of January until sort of the beginning of February. And he expects that to kind of level out a little bit and kind of plateau into the spring home buying season. The expected market time, however, is still much higher than it has been in the last few years. Just more inventory and tougher affordability with higher interest rates. All right, are we seeing a balancing of the market? Well, here is the breakdown of closed sales in San Diego County by price category. 0 to $750,000, $750 to $1 million, and so on. You can see, we'll get to market time in just a moment, but the percent of current inventory for the 0 to 750 is 33%. Current demand is about 34%. Usually there's a much bigger gap there with more demand than supply, but it's pretty balanced as far as demand and supply in this price category. The bigger gap is 750 to $1 million. 28% of demand is in this category, but 22% of inventory is available in this price category. And then $1 million to 1.25 million, it's 10 and 12, and then 8 and 8. And then it switches at that 1.5 million level where there's a little bit more supply than there is demand. And then it keeps going in that direction. If you look at market time, you can see last year in that lower category, 41 days was the expected market time. It's almost double that to 78 days. Look at the 750 to $1 million. It was 33, almost double that as well, 61 days. So it is taking longer for homes to sell again because affordability is a little tougher. All right, how are we doing in San Diego compared to other counties in Southern California? Ventura County, I always kind of take a little bit of grain of salt because there's so many fewer homes for sale and homes selling. But if you compare San Diego to other larger counties, other than Orange County, we have the lowest market time, which is fantastic. So even though it is higher than it has been, we're still doing better in San Diego than we are doing in other parts of Southern California. How is Southern California doing to the rest of the West Coast? And you can see that, right now, Southern California average market time is 97. Bay Area is faster, 75, but we're better off than Las Vegas and better off than Phoenix right now. And this is actually the busier time of year in those areas as we got into the hotter months. Those times should even go longer. So San Diego is still doing okay, but we are definitely balancing. That's it for this week's Monday Market Moment. Don't forget to scan the QR code to track your home's value. If you have any questions about this information and how it might affect you and your goals, feel free to give me a call, send me an email. Be happy to help. Look forward to seeing you next Monday, the next Monday Market Moment. Have a great week.